Welcome back to the Real Talk Motivation Channel. The 2026-2027 Mercedes Motorhome is expected to redefine luxury travel in the United States market. Built on the advanced Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, this futuristic RV combines premium comfort, intelligent technology, and powerful performance into one incredible machine designed for long-distance adventures and full-time luxury living. Mercedes has always been known for elegance and engineering excellence, and this new generation motorhome pushes those qualities even further. The starting model is expected to be based on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis, powered by a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. Early reports suggest power output around 208 horsepower, with excellent torque for towing and mountain driving. Some higher trims may even introduce a hybrid-assisted powertrain for improved fuel efficiency and quieter operation on highways across America. From the outside, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome looks more like a luxury private jet on wheels than a traditional RV. The front fascia carries the iconic Mercedes star with redesigned LED matrix headlights, aerodynamic body lines, and a futuristic grille design. Large panoramic windows, automatic side steps, power awnings, and premium alloy wheels give it a sophisticated appearance that instantly stands out on the road. Inside, the cabin feels like a 5-star hotel suite. Buyers can expect handcrafted leather seating, real wood finishes, ambient LED lighting, heated floors, and ultra-modern digital displays. The dashboard features the latest Mercedes MBUX infotainment system with voice control, navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple touchscreen controls integrated throughout the living space. The main lounge area offers luxury reclining captain chairs, convertible sofas, and a large smart television hidden behind elegant cabinetry. Many versions will include a fireplace system, premium surround sound audio, and smart climate controls that can be operated remotely through a smartphone app. The kitchen area is expected to include quartz countertops, an induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, residential refrigerator, deep stainless sink, and hidden storage compartments. Mercedes is focusing heavily on modern minimalist design while maximizing usable space for travelers. The bedroom section delivers true luxury comfort with a king-size memory foam bed, adjustable mood lighting, USB-C charging ports, and panoramic roof windows for nighttime sky viewing. Some high-end trims may also feature expandable slide-outs to create additional interior room while parked. The bathroom setup includes a full-size glass shower, modern vanity, premium fixtures, smart mirror lighting, and eco-friendly water systems. Tank capacities are expected to improve for longer off-grid adventures, making the vehicle ideal for cross-country travel in the United States. Technology is another major highlight. The 2027 Mercedes Motorhome is rumored to feature